business-related question in this edition of The Law and You. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli are back here in the Virtual Law Center. Guys, it's always a pleasure having you.
And Dave,
here.
We are ready to get down to business.
You are.
Absolutely. How do you like that one?
You guys, you're not in the mood to joke around tonight. All right, here's the question tonight, and it involves a construction company issue. Mike in Bear Creek says, I own this small business. Do I need workers' comp and liability? Everyone that works for me is a subcontractor. What can you tell Mike here?
Mike, you should absolutely have both. Obviously, the liability insurance is going to be, in case anybody gets hurt on the job site that, I mean, because of, if you did something in a negligent fashion, the workmanship in a negligent manner, didn't secure the job site appropriately, things of that nature. You should have workers' compensation insurance. It's the law. And even though that most of your employees might be subcontractors, you are an employee of your own, your own company. You technically could get workers' comp if you got hurt on the job, but it's good to have it because at times, that subcontractor status may change depending on the nature and scope of the work. You really need to, you do need to have it.
Yeah, I mean the owner one is very common. People don't insure themselves when they own their own business, which is just stupid. And then the next part is the changing of the way the job is being handled. Sometimes a subcontractor can get hurt on your job, and we can argue that, well, I know you haven't classified as a sub, but under the law, he can be construed as an employee, and that's when you get you caught, technically with your pants down because you have no insurance.
Yeah.
So, talk to your agents. Obviously, if you have questions, give us a call. We'll help you as much as we can with it. But
just because you say they're a subcontractor doesn't necessarily mean under the eyes of the law they are a subcontractor. There's, the IRS. There's like 10 criteria that you have to look at in order to make a determination whether that individual really is a subcontractor, and if they're not, then you could be in big trouble.
If you need clarification, there is the number, there's the website. Results Matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, we'll see you next time.
Thanks, Dave.
PAHomepage.com, the Law U hotline, 2 ways to get a question here on the show.